Black cohosh, Actaea racemosa, also known as black snakeroot or bugbane, is a perennial plant native to North America. It belongs to the buttercup family, Ranunculaceae, and grows in wooded areas, thriving in moist, shady conditions. Black cohosh has been used for centuries by Native Americans for its medicinal properties, and it gained popularity in Europe in the 19th century as a natural remedy for various health issues, particularly those related to women's health. The plant features tall stems with white, feathery flowers that bloom in mid to late summer. The roots and rhizomes of black cohosh contain active compounds, such as triterpene glycosides and isoflavones, which are believed to provide its health benefits. 30 benefits of black cohosh. Menopause relief. Black cohosh is widely used to alleviate menopause symptoms, such as hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, and vaginal dryness. Reduces menstrual cramps. It has been used traditionally to relieve menstrual pain and discomfort. Eases premenstrual syndrome, PMS, symptoms. Black cohosh may help alleviate mood swings, irritability, and bloating associated with PMS. Supports bone health. Some studies suggest that black cohosh may help prevent bone loss in postmenopausal women. Anti-inflammatory properties. The plant contains compounds that may reduce inflammation in the body. Relieves arthritis pain. Black cohosh may help alleviate joint pain and stiffness associated with arthritis. Antioxidant properties. It contains antioxidants that help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Reduces anxiety. Some studies have shown that black cohosh may help reduce anxiety and nervousness. Sleep improvement. It has been used traditionally to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Natural pain reliever. Black cohosh has been used as a natural remedy for headaches, muscle pain, and backaches. Supports digestive health. It may help soothe gastrointestinal issues, such as indigestion and constipation. Boosts immune system. Black cohosh contains compounds that may enhance immune function. Anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that it may have potential anti-cancer effects, particularly against breast cancer cells. Reduces symptoms of depression. Black cohosh may help alleviate symptoms of depression in some individuals. Supports respiratory health. It has been used traditionally to treat respiratory issues, such as asthma and bronchitis. Improves circulation. Black cohosh may help improve blood flow and circulation. Supports kidney health. It has been used traditionally to promote kidney function and prevent kidney stones. Eases childbirth. Black cohosh has been used to facilitate childbirth and reduce labor pains. Reduces symptoms of endometriosis. Some studies suggest that it may help alleviate pain and inflammation associated with endometriosis. Antimicrobial properties. Black cohosh contains compounds that may help fight bacterial, fungal, and viral infections. Supports liver health. It has been used traditionally to detoxify the liver and improve overall liver function. Relieves tinnitus. Some individuals have reported relief from tinnitus after using black cohosh. Reduces symptoms of fibromyalgia. It may help alleviate pain and inflammation associated with fibromyalgia. Supports thyroid health. Black cohosh may help regulate thyroid hormone production and support overall thyroid function. Improves cognitive function. Some studies suggest that it may help enhance memory and cognitive function. Supports heart health. Black cohosh may help regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels.